Vincent Minguito and Andre Sancho. And isa na jersey number 10. First possession. Jumper. Lock. Neymar Bragaez making. First basket of the movie. By Corpus, and ayun, steal by Corpus, counter steal by Neymar Bragaez, by Sancho, Neymar, ayun, nauna na pala, si Vincent Minguito, and lock by Sancho, labas, Corpus making, he is fouled. Shoutout kang Jerry Mijares, idol nga nagtanaw karon from Ronald. Sanko versus Steele. Sanko versus Steele. Another steal by Lulab. Nasa kay Gajetan. Over. Vincent Minguito. Nice pass to Cañete. Live po tayo sa Court Vision and CM Farm Basketball Facebook page. Pull up. 100. Ang bola, Barila. Takes the rebound. Steal by Dilator. Pero effort yun. Marky. Mijares, 100. 2 point. Mijares to Landry Sancho. Ito naman yung play. Landry Sancho. Kapit sa likod. Steal by Sancho. Ayun, di Mijares. 2 points. Okay, continue ta shoutout maya ha. Start na ang game. Dilator deflected yung inbound. Nakuha pa rin ni Sancho and he is fouled. Corpus na libre. One dribble pull up. And pasok. Yes, eto. Marvin Hayes. Spinning. Jumper. Pasok yan. Marvin Hayes. Marvin Hayes. Ayun, agawa na. To Arana. Grabe yung shooting. Walang maikutan. Offensive rebound block from behind pero may foul. Ted Saga is frustrated. Marky. To Jancor Cabahog. Ayun. Arana. From the screen by Milton. Jumper is good. Ito naman. Sancho versus Corpus. Labas muna. Marquez for 3. From the low post, got double team. Nahanap si Sancho. Ball game muna. Received by Lulab. Kick out pass. Cañete faking a pass. Lulab recovers and 2 points. Okay, shot clock. Ayun yung spin move ni Jancor Cabahog and he is fouled. Basket count. Sa gitna. Sancho spinning. Kick out pass. 3-pointer. Offensive rebound. Again. Back-to-back basket for Jancor Cabahog. Sneaky steal by Kobe. Bigay kay Marky. Balik kay Kobe. Sancho. 3 points. Melton again. Bigay kay Lulab. Jumper. Good. Oh, nice! Deep! Bigay kay Bragaez! And sinabot pa and there's a foul. Please follow like Christian Yagel Bahagi at 2 points. Balik kayo, boss. Kunya lang, boss, ha? Oh, gabi. Melton, bigay kay Corpus, 3-pointer. spinning. Kobe Valencia, left-handed jumper. Cañete. Nabitaw ng bola. Buti na lang. Andun si Corpus. Another rebound by Corpus. Genmar. 2 points. Genmar. No, sorry. Mali akong score. Mantilla, Dexter man, 4-3. Ayun. Nakahagyo. Cañete. Steal. Nangalusot. Kapika ng bola. Genmar nagmamadali. Genmar walang. Corpus. Nice fake. Basket count. Ted Saga, Sanjo, Chupo. Shout out, Dol New Barele. Genmar. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy. Family. Ano pa ba? Ligutong family. And Anino family. Gra, nakumapalit. 2 point. Barrera, driving. Stop. Jumper. It's good. 2 points. Edsaga faking. 2 points. Marky. Alibre. 100. Jumper using the glass. Ayun, nagawa ng possession. Jankor Cabahog. May foul na. Coach Caro. Ano kaya? And Corpus, ayun. Lulab, no look back. Lock. Lulab, guarded by Mantilla. Corpus. Stop. Lock. Rebound by Genmar. Ayun, Marky. Basket count. Wala. Quick 3 by Arana.